You are listening to this entire video through the DJI Mic 2, the only mic I use on this channel. It boasts incredible sound quality, a fast workflow, and excellent value for money. But there are 5 affordable accessories that make the Mic 2 even better, and in this video I'm sharing the 5 that I use every day to make the DJI Mic 2 even more versatile. And of course you'll find links to everything mentioned down in the description. Let's start with the first must-have, a dedicated mic handle like this one from SmallRig. You've probably seen people awkwardly holding the DJI Mic 2 transmitter like this right in front of their mouth. It does sound great thanks to the proximity effect, which boosts the low end and gives your voice that full intimate sound. Here's how it sounds close to my mouth. Now here's how it sounds clipped to my shirt. Can you hear the difference? But holding it looks weird, blocks your face, and just isn't very practical. That's why a mic handle like this is a must-have. It slips right in and instantly makes you look more polished while keeping the mic in the sweet spot. This one is extendable, making it perfect for interviews or vox pops. But if you want something more traditional, this one from UShares comes with a pop shield to make it look like a broadcast mic, and it hides the DJI branding completely. Either way, they beat holding the mic with your hand, and both are linked below. Next up is an absolute essential if you're mounting the receiver. This cold shoe from Neewer. Most mounts don't hold the DJI Mic 2 RX securely. This one does, thanks to its spring-loaded locking system. Whether I'm using it with my Freewell cage on the iPhone 16 Pro Max or a tilter rig for my Sony, this cold shoe works perfectly. The magnetic clip included with the DJI Mic 2 is clever but fiddly. I've dropped the magnet inside my shirt more times than I've had hot dinners and had to hunt around on the ground to find it. So instead I use a magnetic lanyard like this one designed for the Insta360 cameras. I just wear it round my neck under my shirt and the Mic 2 clicks into place instantly. No fumbling, no lost magnets, no stress. It's one of those accessories that saves you time, protects your gear, and just makes everything easier on shoot days. I've tried a bunch, but this is by far the best and is linked below. Let's face it, sometimes you just don't want the transmitter showing. It's small, sure, but it's still visible, especially with that bold DJI logo front and center. And that's where a Lav Mic comes in. Any 3.5mm lavalier will work with the Mic 2, and my go-to is the Rode Lavalier 2, which delivers clean sound and solid build quality at an affordable price. Paired with the magnetic necklace, I can hide the Mic 2 under my shirt, run the lav cable discreetly. It's perfect for interviews or narrative work where you don't want to see the Mic 2 transmitter. Last but not least, if you're using a Sony mirrorless camera, then this is a must. The DJI Mic 2 camera adapter for Sony. It slots right into the camera's hot shoe and connects the receiver without a cable, giving you a clean, direct audio feed with zero setup fuss. Just plug it in, power it on, and record. Done. So those are my top 5 accessories to unlock the full potential of your DJI Mic 2. Links to everything down below. Did I miss your favorite accessory? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped, consider liking and subscribing. I've got loads more coming to help you master mobile filmmaking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.